What's up, guys, and welcome back to Build After 5. And right in front of us we have a brake master cylinder. This is the original part that came out of the truck, and the reason why I replaced it was because it had a lot of brake fluid leak underneath here. So I had ordered one from Rock Auto. They sent it through, I installed it, and 3 months later we're on the same problem with brake fluid leaking through here. So luckily it was still under warranty, so I sent that one back, and I found one. I picked it up and I decided to do brand new brake pads and brand new calipers. So the reason for the calipers was because they were already rusted and silver paint chip around there, so I decided to just buy them brand new. They were already silver, so it matched the truck. But yeah, I mean, that's where we're at. The truck, it brakes really good. And yeah, guys, let's see what's next. ¿Qué dice mi raza? Welcome back to Build After 5. Y este video lo voy a tratar de hacer un poquito más en español. Vamos a ir derecho a poner todo para atrás en la Jeep SRT8. Tratar de acabarla ahora.